I told you about my brush with MCI and the factor behind it which helped me the most, which is Texila American University in Guyana. And the way I communicated with them, the story of how I found them was and is always quite interesting, so I would like to share that with you too. My father was reading the newspapers and they had an advertisement carrying an admission program for Philippines and a new country that was fairly new for me called Guyana. Because most of us avid cricket viewers, we know West Indies, and I never bothered googling down West Indies to find out if it's a country or a collection of countries. And as I came to know later on, it is actually a collection of a lot of Caribbean countries, they are called, and two other beautiful countries called Guyana and Suriname. And I was looking at the perspective of me doing it in one of the Caribbean countries, so hey, Guyana it is. The office of Texila American University, the direct office, then was in Coimbatore, and that was one other criteria why I chose to go to Texila American University. It was closer to my hometown, so I could actually take a bus, go visit them, see how the people are, how they treat you, and if all those things are good, the college they run should also be good. So that was my perspective and take on it. So my father and I, we decided to travel to Coimbatore, and then it was quite a decent, cozy little office where we met different people, and not to mention we met the president then, Mr. Saju Bhaskar, a wonderful person, and I give him thanks because he helped me out in my decision and helped me shape my career and make me who I am today. And we met him, he gave us the facts, and he told me that it was a fairly new college where I would be the first batch to graduate out of it. And my life principle is, do not look at something and be cynical about it. Go with the flow, and things always tend to be positive and they take shape at the right time by God's grace. So I told my dad, yes dad, let's take a chance here, and I actually wanted to go see Guyana, the beautiful Caribbean with all these beautiful tourist destinations, the beaches, the tropical climate and the fun people. I say fun people because the people are really friendly, which I experienced firsthand from my later experiences. And before I go there, I have to go there physically. So my travel experience is something worth sharing. Right from day one, I came to the Texila American office. I was taken care of, and they didn't forsake me at any point. They always give all the students priority treatment, and I was probably the first few, one of them. And they walked me through the process. I paid the appropriate fee for all those things, and they helped me get a visa, student visa to Guyana. In almost a week's time. It was quite fast, and I was impressed at the speed they are working and the way they processed my application. I was eligible to go pursue a medical degree from the foreign countries, and I got an eligibility certificate, and the next step was to get a medical certification. Putting these two things together, I applied for a visa, and Texila helped me through the process. I got the visa, as I told you, in less than a week's time. Choose Texila.